Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you the channel community and how to contact me if you have any problems. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand what we're saying. So yeah, let's start. In this video I will show you like a kind of an update video on my channel, on where to get updates on my channel, such as when a new video uploads, and how to contact me if you have any problems. So if you head to my channel and in the community section, which will be the fourth tab, you will see here that I have published some posts. There are not a lot of posts, but from now on, before I upload a new video, I will let you guys know when that video will come out. So for example, if my video is ready to be uploaded, I will publish a new post right here saying that will be public in 6 hours, for example. So yeah, that way you know when a new video comes up. You may ask, Alex, if you have a Twitter account and all of that, like other YouTubers do. I actually do have a Twitter account, but I do not use it. Basically, the community section right here is like Twitter, is like temporary Twitter for me right now. I will probably make a new Twitter account or use my old one specifically for this channel, but for now the community section is basically Twitter for me right now. So yeah, if I publish new posts and you are on your computer, it will not show it in the subscription section because YouTube has not added that yet on computers. So if you want to see my posts on the subscription section, you need to be on your tablet or your phone. On your computer or laptop it does not work for now. Hopefully they add it in the future. Now, if you want to contact me, if you head to the final tab, which will be about, and you head down to where it says details for businesses inquiries and you click view email address, it's going to pop up my email address right here. So if you want to contact me for any problems that you have, you can copy my email, head to your email, and where it says center, put my email there, and in the title of the email, let's say it, if you want, put my channel name, Alex Tutorials, and then put the problem that you have, and then in the description put whatever problem you have, so I know who you are exactly and where you come from. To put that in context, in the title put the channel name and the title of your problem, and then in the description put the exact problem that you have, and I will reply to you within a couple of minutes or in a couple of hours. And yeah, I do not have anything else to show you. This is like an update video on my channel, and yeah, all in all the community section is like temporary Twitter, and in the about section, if you scroll down and you click view email address, is going to be my email on how to contact me. And yeah, that's a video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.